Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Ibisesha as usual. Yeah, so if this is the first time you're seeing this face on your screen, thank you for clicking. Please consider subscribing, and if you're a returnee, thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys, are the best. Yeah, so in case this is your first time on my channel, my name is Abiodun, but friends call me AB. Yeah, so you can call me AB if you don't want to call me Abiodun. Yeah, so today's video is continuation of my Lazada 11.11 sales unboxing. I did a video about it, I think on Saturday last week. So they just brought in the remaining orders today, and I said, okay, since I promised I was going to show you guys when they deliver it, so I said fine, let me show you. So it's just two, this and this. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's see what's inside. I hope nothing is broken this time around. Here's my scissors. Oh my god, I don't know if I should say I'm so excited or I'm nervous, because sometimes, let me not say sometimes, these few days when you order something, they end up bringing something else. I don't know why this is so big and it's looking, it's big but very light. At some point, myself, I've forgotten I ordered some things because of the time it's taking. Okay, so look at this. People are mad. See what they package inside this big thing. It's supposed to be too sharp, but they are crazy for them to pack. See, they cheat me, shall they package one and put one like this? Hey, so I got this phone case for my phone. Oh my god, well, I have to fix all this myself. Yeah, this is for the phone, and hey, I don't know what to do with all these things now. I don't know what they want me to do with all these things now. Hey Jesus, I don't buy market. Then this is the hands at the back. I'm going to show you a picture of what it actually looks like before I ordered it. Then yeah, this is it. I think I'm going to fix this here like this. It's going to be like this. Okay, the second one is actually not for me. I don't know if I should open it, but I actually bought it for a friend, so I'm thinking if I should. Oh, it's not my own, so I'll not open it, but I think I should see what's inside. Don't know if they delivered what I ordered. Okay. But I see no reason why they will pack this one like this and just leave my own like that. These people cheat me. Almost same. Oh, this is not for me. I got it for a friend. I hope he likes it. Yeah, so the second one, this, I just hope everything inside the way I expected it to come out. I have to tell this thing with caution in case I want to return it. Okay, remember my last video I said I was going to get some makeup stuff so that I'll be doing makeup for my videos maybe from next year, not this year, because even that next year is by the grace of God. I got this eyeliner. It has a wing stamp. I don't know if you can see. I just hope by next year too I will not still fail you guys, because man, doing makeup is a whole lot of stress. Looking at my eyebrow, you know that this girl is not a makeup somebody. I can't remember when last I shaved my eyebrow. So this is what the eyeliner looks like. I actually got it because I feel this is like a cheat in case you used to have issues drawing your eyeliner, because it has the wing stamp already. So all you have to do is just go and draw the rest. I don't know if I should try it. I think I'll spoil it, or I did not put it well. But anyways, I like the wing part of it. At least it will help. Then use this one to, oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing here. But anyways, we are going to try. It's actually cool, but man, I pray I use it. Yeah, so I got it. I can't remember the amount. Then what again? Okay, I got this contour stick. It's contour and highlighter. So what did I see that this that they'll say, hey, this is good, and I end up not using them. So let's see what it's like. Yeah, so this is it. What's the name? ICVC Essential Contour Play Stick 101. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, so this is the, okay, the sheet is real. I don't know how to bring it out. Okay, I think this is the contour and this is the highlighter. But funny enough, I don't know how to bring it out. Okay. It's coming out. I hope it works well for me. Okay, I think, okay. You see my problem. See this thing, how dark it's looking on my face is white. This is why I don't buy makeup. You see why I don't buy makeup. You order something and they'll bring white thing for you. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel like crying. But I'm not going to cry. I feel I'm going to return it though, because it's of no use right now. So let me say it's only the eyeliner that's gonna work for me. Then I have what is it? Okay, foundation. I'm not happy at all because I don't know if it's going to be okay on me. So I said I should try it and see, but man, I'm not happy. Let me see. Why is it not coming out? See. Hey, these people. Let me see if it's. I'm going to use my hand. I'm not with any brush. Okay, the sheet is real. Okay, this is where I don't know. See how white it is. This is why I don't have makeup. You order something online and they'll bring something else. Okay, this is why I don't have makeup. Ooh. See how it's looking dark here? The camera is even making it bright. This thing is so dark. I don't know if I should cry because these people wasted my time since on the 19th. I'm doing this video on the 28th, and this is the outcome of my long wait. Hey, Jesus. Imagine me coming out like this, my face is white and my neck is like this. Hey, Jesus. Even if it's the camera. Okay, I'm not happy with today's delivery at all, apart from the phone pack. Then I have the last but not least, setting spray. I'm not happy again. These people are from my hands. Only if you see how happy I am that finally I'm going to be doing makeup. And then this. Whoa, I'm not happy, Joe. So this is what the setting spray looks like. I don't know if you can see it. This people shall cheat me. Look at the distance. It's not full. It's they used it before they now delivered it. Okay. Anyways, that's all for now. See you guys in my next one, and please, if you're in Philippines and you know anywhere I can get good foundation, please tell me. I really need good, because foundation is the most important part of the makeup. All this contour and whatever, that one are just jara. So please, in case you know anywhere I can get good foundation, let me know. Yeah, so that is too much of your time. This is where I'm going to end this video. See you guys in my next one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any video suggestion, drop it down in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to talk about, drop it down in the comment section, and please don't forget to share with friends. See you guys in my next one, and that's tomorrow, because we are still in our 30 days challenge. Bye.